If you're investing in historic properties, particularly in the Northeast, you're gonna need a salvage house. If you don't know what a salvage house is, you need to watch this video. Owning historic property means renovating and maintaining historic property. It's the #1 challenge to old housing stock. And if you're doing that, you need to have a salvage house. Now, a salvage house is a place where you can go to buy materials from historic properties that have been salvaged when they've been demolished. Our local one here in Williamsport is Historic House Salvage. It's right here on Arch Street in Newberry, and I'm gonna take you in and show you around. But wherever you live, you likely have a salvage house. You should know where it is, the kind of things that they offer, because you could be doing better than Lowe's and building supply stores in your historic property. Now you know what a salvage house is, and you know the kinds of things you can get there. You're gonna solve so many problems if you check your salvage house first. Making these videos is a blast. If you like this one, give us a subscribe, a like, and a share. Until next time.